Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and practical topic. How Americans repair plugs. Ever wondered if a broken plug can be fixed? Well, even if it's broken at the root, it can still be repaired like new. Let's get started. Here we have a plug that's broken right at the root. Most people would think this plug is beyond repair and would simply throw it away. But not so fast. With the right techniques, this plug can be restored to its former glory. First, let's take a look at the tools and materials we'll need for this repair. We'll be using basic items like pliers, a screwdriver, electrical tape, and a new plug head. Simple, right? Let's move on to the repair process.